Imagine building muscle by simply eating the right foods. Today we'll reveal 20 foods that I ate to force my muscles to grow. You may think that muscle growth is all about lifting weights and doing intense workouts. Yes, those are crucial, but the food you fuel your body with is equally important, if not more so. And when it comes to muscle growth, protein is the superhero your body needs. Protein is the building block of muscles. It's like the bricks used to build a house. Without enough protein, your body can't repair and build muscle tissue effectively. So to help you on this journey, let's dive into the first 5 protein-packed foods that can force your muscles to grow. First up, chicken breasts. This lean meat is a fantastic source of protein. It's low in fat, high in protein, and provides essential vitamins and minerals. Plus, it's incredibly versatile. You can grill it, roast it, or toss it in a salad. Next, we have eggs, an excellent source of high-quality protein. They're also packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs are a great addition to your muscle-building diet. Tuna is another protein powerhouse. It's lean, low in fat, and rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Not to mention, it's a convenient option you can easily add to your meals. Let's not overlook nuts and seeds. They're not only a good source of protein, but also packed with heart-healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. They make a perfect snack to keep you fueled throughout the day. To round off our first 5, we have pumpkin seeds. They're small but mighty, filled with protein and other essential nutrients like magnesium, iron, and zinc. You can enjoy them roasted or toss them into your favorite salad or smoothie for an extra protein boost. The power of these protein-packed foods is unmatched when it comes to muscle growth. Now let's delve deeper into the muscle-building menu. First up, we have lean beef, a powerhouse of protein that's also packed with iron, zinc, and B vitamins. These nutrients enhance the body's muscle growth and repair. Next, we have beans, particularly black and kidney beans. These legumes are not only protein-rich but also brimming with fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Then we have tofu, a versatile soy product that's a fantastic source of protein, especially for vegetarians and vegans. It is also rich in calcium and iron, essential for muscle function and strength. Quinoa, a grain that's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. It's also packed with magnesium, which can help improve muscle function and exercise performance. Lastly, protein powder, a convenient and efficient way to up your protein intake, especially post-workout, to support muscle recovery and growth. These foods are not just delicious, they're your muscle-building allies. Seafood and spinach sounds like a strange combination, right? But it's a muscle-building secret. Now let's talk turkey, not just your traditional holiday centerpiece, but a lean protein powerhouse. It's packed with essential nutrients like niacin and vitamin B6, which your body needs for energy production and muscle repair. Then, we dive into the ocean with salmon. This pink-fleshed fish is swimming with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce muscle inflammation and promote muscle recovery. Next, we green up with spinach. Popeye wasn't kidding when he said it makes you strong. It's rich in iron, a mineral vital for muscle function and growth. We then venture into the world of soybeans, specifically fermented or sprouted. They're a great plant-based protein source filled with essential amino acids to nourish your muscles. Lastly, we have Greek yogurt, unflavored, of course. This creamy delight is brimming with protein and calcium necessary for muscle contraction. These foods are your secret weapon in the battle for muscle growth. Cheese, it's not just for pizza anymore. Let's dive into the world of casein cheese. This dairy delight is a slow-digesting protein source that feeds your muscles over a longer period, perfect for those late-night cravings. Next up, we have shrimp. Don't be fooled by their size. These small sea creatures pack a protein punch, with a healthy dose of omega-3 fatty acids to boot. Welcome the humble oatmeal to the stage. This breakfast staple is not only rich in protein, but also provides slow-releasing energy, keeping you fueled for your workouts. Then we have broccoli, a green powerhouse of nutrients. Not only does it offer a good protein source for a vegetable, but it's also high in fiber, helping with digestion. Finally, the versatile avocado, rich in healthy fats and fiber, also provides a decent amount of protein. These foods will charm your muscles into growing. We're down to the final foods that forced my muscles to grow. Let's dive right in. First up, we have pineapple. This tropical delight isn't just for your sweet cravings. It's packed with bromelain, an enzyme that aids in protein digestion, making it a perfect post-workout snack. Next, we have skim milk. Now you might think, milk? Really? But yes, really. Skim milk is a great source of both protein and calcium, vital for muscle repair and bone health. And it's low in fat, which is a bonus for those watching their caloric intake. Finally, we have the avocado. This creamy green fruit is a powerhouse of monounsaturated fats, which help in protein synthesis and absorption. Plus, it's loaded with fiber and vitamins, promoting overall health. So there you have it. Pineapple for protein digestion, skim milk for muscle repair, and avocado for protein synthesis. These are the last pieces of the muscle-building puzzle. So, what's the secret to forcing your muscles to grow? It's simple. It's about incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods into your diet. Let's recap. We've got high-protein powerhouses like chicken breasts, eggs, and lean beef. We've got the magic of seafood with tuna, salmon, and shrimp. The plant-based strength of beans, tofu, quinoa, and soybeans. The charm of dairy with Greek yogurt, casein cheese, and skim milk. The crunch of nuts and seeds, including pumpkin seeds. The sweetness of fruits like avocado and pineapple. The wholesome goodness of oatmeal. And the green strength of spinach and broccoli. These 20 foods aren't rare or exotic. They're accessible and diverse, fitting into various diet plans. Each food brings a unique set of nutrients to the table, helping to repair, grow, and strengthen your muscles. Remember, building muscle isn't just about lifting weights, it's about lifting the right foods to your mouth. Eat well, grow strong,